Hey guys, so I decided to make this video as a tutorial on how to control the speed of motors using a potentiometer and some buttons. I'll show you the wiring here. It's a bit messy. So the potentiometer is connected, this one's connected to the 3.3 volts. This is connected to a pin on the Pico, and this one's connected to ground. Then we have some LEDs which are connected to the Pico, and this is the ground wire as well. We have a pull down and a pull up button. Now this one means that it's connected to ground, this one's connected to 3.3 volts. And then there's the L298N, in which the pins are connected to the Pico itself. And there's also this PWM pin, the ground, and of course the power supply, which is connected to double A batteries. So that's it. So let me show you the code. So this is actually from a tutorial from Dronebot Workshop, but this is actually a bit different because I use a different motor controller and I made some my own changes here and there. So for example, from machine I import pin, ADC, and PWM. Then from U-time I import sleep. So I have 3 LEDs, red, yellow, and green, which use pins 12, 13, and 14. And then I have 2 buttons, button down and button up. This tells us that this one's pull down and this one's pull up. Then I have my pins. This is the enable pin, which is PWM pin 17. Then we have pin 18 and 19 for the others. Then we have our pot, which is our potentiometer, which is at ADC 26. But unlike Dronebot Workshop's tutorial, I actually added 3 functions: forward, backward, and stop, and they're all based on the values. So I set up the red value as 1. These are 0. This means that the motor is not going anywhere. As you can see here, I have it stop. Then I have a frequency of 50 for the EN1 pin. So then I base the frequency EN1 based on the potentiometer, which you can see duty U16, which will read U16 from the potentiometer. And here, if I press this button, it will go forward, and then the green button will turn on. If I go backwards, well, if I press the other button, it will go backwards, and the yellow LED will turn on, and there will be a sleep for 0.25 seconds. So it's very similar, but I wanted to use a different motor controller because some may have questions on how to use this with an L298N. So let's run this. Okay, so as you can see, the red LED is on. So let me adjust this a little bit. So let's turn this one on. So as you can see, the pins, I'm decreasing the speed. Now let's spin the other way. Now let's spin this way, and then we go faster, faster, faster. And then we go slower, 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 slower. And that's it for this video, guys. Let me just exit out of that. And I'll see you guys next time.